Good morning children. Welcome to today's session. Before class what we have learned? Numbers 1 to 500 we have to complete it, and number names 1 to 100. Yes or no? Are you completed homework children? Yes. If you are not writing homeworks, you have to complete your homeworks daily. Okay? And today we discuss about multiplication tables. Okay? What we have discussed today? Multiplication tables. I know you already know tables, 2 to 9 tables. Okay children? It's nothing but multiplication is called repeated additions. You know this? Repeated additions. How is it possible? I'll explain you. Okay na? So first of all, tables. 2 to 9 tables we have to learn. Already you know 2 tables, but I have to write on the board 2 to 9 tables. Okay na? 2 to, first of all see here 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Are you open your books? Yes, open and write down. Okay na? Yes. Then after 3 table. Okay, 2 table after 3 table. First you have to read once. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay. Then next 3 table. You have to draw the line like this and start the next table. Okay. Write neatly. Let's write down. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Read and write everyone. Okay? Read and write everyone. 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay? 3 tens are 30. Once I repeat again. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay children? Then I repeat again 4 table. Draw the line, same. Have to write the 4 table. 4 ones are 4. Read and write everywhere. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Are you writing? Yes, write with me. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay? Yeah. Now we will discuss repeated additions. What is the meaning of repeated additions? Repeated additions. Repeated additions. It's nothing but if you forget the 4 eights are. For suppose 4 fours are you forgot, 4 threes are you forgot. How is it possible? How you get the answer means it's nothing but 4 you have to add the 3 times. How many times? 3 times you have to add. How? 4 into 3. What is the answer? You forgot. Okay? So you have to add the 4 3 times. See here 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is the answer now? You have to count down. Take fingers. Okay? Take fingers. 4 plus 4. 4 keep first 4 you have to keep in the mind, and second 4 open your fingers. First 4 after 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is the answer here? 8. Okay. The 8 is a keep in the mind. 8 is keep in the mind. And the next 4 has to open your fingers. Okay. Then after 8 you have to start the counting 4. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer here? 12. Okay. Got it everyone? So 4 3 is a 12. Okay. Are you understood? So this is the called repeated additions. If any table, if you forgot the what is the answer, if you forgot, first suppose 5 into 7 equal to what? You don't know, you forgot that. So again, you have to add the 5 7 times. How many times? 7 times. Yes, you have to add the 5 is 7 times. How? See here. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now we have to add as usual. First 5, take fingers. Second 5, first 5 has to come. Keep in the mind. And second 5 has to count the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 5 sevens are 35. Okay. 5 sevens are 35. Are you understood? This is called a repeated additions. Okay. This is called a repeated additions. Yeah. So, are you understood now? What is the repeated additions? I hope. So, what is the next tables? What is the next tables? So, 5 table I am not writing here. That is the homework. And I am writing here 6 table. What is that? 6 table. Okay? 6 table we are writing now. So, 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay? 5 table is a homework, right? So 6 table also we know. I already told the repeated additions, right? So if you don't know the 7 table and 8 table, has to count the repeated additions. Has to count the repeated additions. Okay? So now we have to write the, I explain now 9 table. Okay children? 9 table I will explain you. So 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 9. Okay. What is the homeworks today? 5, 7, 8 tables is the homeworks. If you don't know the answer, if you forgot the answers, you have to apply the repeated additions. I already told you repeated additions. How is that? Add. Okay now? So this is the tables. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9 I already told you. This is the class work. Homework is the 5. Homeworks is 5, 7 and 8 tables. Okay? 7, 5, 7, 8 tables is the homeworks. Okay children? Yeah. Repeated addition I have to apply the, if you don't know the answers, if you forget the answers, you have to apply the repeated additions. Repeated additions and nothing but the multiplication tables. That's it. Okay now?